Da delea, da doma. Nabalenge Samalia. Good morning, Shai. Good morning. I learned some German language. Good morning. Perfect? Perfect. Da delea. Da delea, da kasure. Delea. And another chalea, Chagasimbu Qualia. Gishawres, just on it. And children chalea, Trubzin Gejuki. Wanji Chawres, the leather, Zerim Sevi to say.
Today morning, there is a program made and a request made that I teach the Mahamudra, and in the afternoon an empowerment on the 84 Siddhas. That's in the program.
Trubzin Geju City. Trubzin Geju one and Angma Perry Lusane. Ma Perry Lusane, any the Sidrum Gazer Konani needs Perry Pepper in a deducanda short time. To do it beings are Naleaji, one room and art and now go up to that show. I didn't do Sane. That Namju one sugar young into Sangolia. Could you in a one needs Mado, could you in a debe, Carter, Yango, Yango, Chesia. Good there, Madovish, that is one to screw out. Just an attitude. Lord Chujin is a district water side. Kadu in a one Chujun, Ayana and the that's the most has Gayamara. That in a Taji one chamber to Gurgona Shat. Dangerous and that one chamber de Guriayama, Karasana, so Tobia means. Then it the cheese with penny to my own Satelia. And Chujin gets you one school. That they got resana. Omanga Chujungle, Gamable, Muzima Zekwana. Sidurumji, dance a camlet, the Babon said Jorba. Telianga Chujunga de Yomba, that did you sane, Jumuchi, one Bugure, Sidurumji, one Bukus. That did you don't want to start Rochujin, Dusane. To visualize you did the passage to say. Because Chokde and Yabuchi, they are a statue and some part you to you say. One Yabuchi the toy gimas. That did you son of Muzigi, Trujin gives one day. Now you're into Sana. That told you get some. This humble of Cheje. Then 2 months at the Lea, Trujin gives you one Chinese Kunyu. That did you sang on this culture, poverty, that one which good you are some. There's a culture that Boban of Church.
So, about the 84 Siddhas empowerment, I want to say that when I was in Tibet, Taisudi Rinpoche and Jalsa Rinpoche came only 2 times, and because of the shortage of the time, they couldn't give me lots of empowerments and transmissions and instructions. So therefore, when people ask for empowerments, I had only a few
one or two.
Only 1 or 2 empowerments to give, small empowerments. And I was always repeating those empowerments because I hadn't received instructions and things like that on others. So I was feeling a little bit not good that I was giving only some small empowerments and was not being able to give big empowerments. I thought that it was kind of a little bit embarrassing, although, of course, there is nothing to be embarrassed about it. And long time, actually, before I was even recognized as Karmapa, I received many empowerments from Siddhu Rinpoche. But then at that time, I was, very young and a little bit, I don't think I should say this, naughty. So therefore, maybe I was not even very much inside the way I should be. And so I'm not sure how much empowerments I really received. But that time I received the empowerments of 84 Siddhas. And so kind of assuming that I have received this 84 Siddhas empowerment that time. So before I came out of Tibet, for about 2 times, I was able to give the empowerments of 84 Siddhas in Tibet. And that time, I felt really good and kind of, I felt proud of myself that I was doing that.
I think it might become 2 different kinds of story, a little bit. Actually, not big difference. There's some small difference. I think when I was a child, it's kind of child-minded. Always give the same empowerment. I have this idea, should give some big empowerment, very long empowerment. But I don't have that lineage. That way, always, give the same empowerment. Some attendant, some friend tell me, you should give some more. But I don't have. And finally, maybe before I leave Tibet, then finally I decided to give this 84 Mahasiddha empowerment. It's kind of big and shown, 84. Not 1, 84, Then, because when I was a child, before I recognized as Karmapa, we went to the monastery, the seat of the monastery for Siddhu Rinpoche. We call Pabong Monastery. It's far away from my hometown. But we went there. Due to some reason. The biggest reason, I think, my father think I'm kind of special person now. Because he always told me when you're born, these auspicious things happen, that, lots of then, but we don't know. The doubt who I am, who I am, like which kind of tuku, or something. Of course, we don't believe I'm Karmapa, it's too high. But maybe it's kind of, that's why my father bring me to see Siddhu Rinpoche, to ask him rather I'm a sort of like special Juku, or that is maybe is that big reason. Then we went there. Then Rinpoche, that time, the Siddha Rinpoche give lots of empowerment, like big empowerment. I'm also kind of, gathered together, all, Shindada Nyamdo.
We're
To
together
other
with many
people.
other monks.
Of course, at that time, I'm just like maybe 5 or 6 years old. I can't visualize, nothing. And also, I'm a little bit naughty, going going there, going here. I don't think I've received very sort of, really sort of received the empowerment. But I think, okay, maybe kind of become
Hambat Savas bold.
bold. Big? Okay, no. But I think that's why maybe I'm a little bit sort of, I think maybe I've received some empowerment. You can consider, actually, reality, I'm not so sure, but maybe this is kind of excuse. That's why I give this 84 Mahasiddhas empowerment in Tibet before I leave Tibet, 2 times.
And I'll do this again here today. Although it has all 4 levels of empowerment, but maybe it's okay not to do all 4 this time.
Maybe only the first.
Only the first empowerment.
That is Mahamudra Golya. Chagachimbu.
And then about Mahamudra.
Mi Bangbachi, Samde Nalaji, ya. Peg Namasangi with Shedi, magical Rabachita, Kashurataji. Kari Nevi Mizina, Ganga Kari Nebe, Sob, Chimurkangi Karine, Set House, Lapsa, magical Ruchi, miracle. The Ruchi. Lavato Mahamudra is called Turn, Lapsaji, exciting, some of Lapsa, the Kaso Aksar Rishvicha, but you only get some.
Many people feel that the Tibetan Buddhism, practice is a little bit like magical or miraculous. That if you receive that and practice, then something happens and solve all your problems immediately. And in the same way, when you hear about Mahamudra, they think that there is something very special that, and very kind of miraculously, everything is, kind of solved. So people have those kind of wrong expectations.
Shögi Nizu Karshu Susu Mizina Gangan Hamsi says Kabushare Songye.
It's quite difficult that just because of the Dharma, all your problems in the life can be solved.
Bena Kashiji Samle Nalo Benaji Susu Nazanaine, Chela Deneji, Naz Setuaru. Yan Benjor Tungu Chumbinea, Yan Church in Yamesavine, Yan the Benjor Chambucha Sonsoro. Takanda didn't be Kashreji, some Tangare.
Some people think that every problems of the life can be solved by the Dharma. Like if you are sick, then if you practice Dharma, that will cure you. And if you have economic problems, then you have practiced Dharma, and you will become rich, and all the economic problems will be solved. Things like that. People have certain expectations.
이나 최디 냠레 차디 미진앙기 강에 연소 세아체도 말라 디 세트야 가버렸어.
The practice of Dharma is not to solve all these kind of problems of the life, and I think it's difficult that all the problems of the life can be solved by this.
네, 최냠는 차디 아주다 가서 강에 아주나 미진앙기 강에 치슈스란 장도 야나 시지에기 강에 세악 제도를 섬청이.
I feel that the practice of Dharma is to get rid of or to solve the basic problems of the life, or the most important problems of the life.
배낭 아주지 가수에 간데스레스라비입니다. 다당 아주 다다베는지 수부 대타이네 평기야 말에. 다는 신기 빼줘 론주 전부 이내 평기야 말에. 간다 지토를 이미는 다 간다 successful 예비네 전도이네 아주 생각 나로래야지. 배 가수에 기부 기나를 매야지. 배 롱리 차대야서로 야면 캐리장 차대야서로 동부 차대야로 다 진짜 전화지 아주 망부지 용도 야래 저 진짜기다 심기 나서서는 장도 심기 동에서는 장도 뒤가봐 제대로 해서 좀
Many people, even if we are healthy, even if we have good kind of economic conditions, even if we are successful, that doesn't necessarily make us satisfied or fulfilled. We can still feel lonely, empty, and not happy. So these kind of problems of the mind, or sickness of the mind, if you want to call, these things can be, I think, solved by the practice of the Dhamma.
다 계시 주 수수기 최기 냠랭이 benüber 세토버를 레비입니다. 다 지체는 않고 강에 가수에 대단 세토버를 레비는 신 버지 다 가수에 샘그 뉴버로 숙청부 예비입니다. 안도 델라데네지 수수류기 나서줘도 하고 아나지 미신다기 다다나 신 다간다 강에 친식 뒤주네 다 강에 친식 소마로 신다도 저 투야로 알았어. 이내야 다티 갈라카부시라 인기를 삼청기.
If your practice is very highly advanced, then maybe it's possible. It's possible that because the strength of the mind becomes so strong, so then it is possible that all other problems, like even economic and to cure your illness and to help others to cure them, these kind of things is possible. But for that, your practice has to become really highly advanced. So therefore, it is not easy.
제장 다 샘기 시디주 세난장도 샘레 소주야 자와체 딩아주진 최냠는 지하기 시제미유 세난장도 다나 신기 간다르 그시 조로도 대임베체 신다디주 지 가르 지딩게 신다디주 다 샤르란 주비안없지 샤란 이나 디체도 많이 봐 다체도 미버디다 간다 비제 셈리야
So therefore the main objective or the main purpose of the practice of Dhamma is to kind of transform your mind, to train your mind, to kind of do something about your mind. And that is the basic purpose, basic kind of objective of the practice of the Dhamma. And other things are like a little bit coming, besides it, as a part of it, not the main practice. So everything is, really geared towards the transforming your state of mind. That's the most crucial or the essential part of the practice of Dhamma.
다이미네 최냐면 체스리안디 디 가르쳐 베네진 지딘 베나 가르쳐 신다 지딘 차와디 최고 말해서 델리아 베 가르쳐다지 가르쳐차 진짜랑 말해 진짜랑 말했어.
It is not that when you practice Dhamma, then you cannot or should not do any other worldly work or worldly things. That's not the idea. We should not understand it that way.
가르쳐 나간다 최냐면 차들 골라 딱 가르쳐야 돼. 당연 들으시면 나름 다 돼야 된저비지 셈리야 소지 개버사디 지 forcefully 스마르베 지 전부 완여를 체 야나지 가르쳐에 디지 가르쳐에 아주 참참 야 참참 지 최제사의 지 가르쳐 소수기 페이스 지 강에 될 동네 체마도 붙여 텔레바 유약 탑시럽지 최냠는 제사의 강에 동네 맞습세 텔레 유약 탑시럽지 진짜지량 우리 지샤서 야나 지 최냠는 제사의 지 소수리아 백 동네 시비스면 동네 시비주빈 다데 맞지 냄제 소수 만 냄제 아니 지 셈고 나로마 가르쳐지 제뉴르 제샤서 진짜 말
The practice Dhamma is not to force things. Sometimes people, when they have lots of problems and difficulties, and then they try to practice Dhamma in order to kind of escape or evade to face those problems. That many people have that way of doing it also, and sometimes. Through the practice of Dhamma, they try to suppress and kind of forcefully suppress their problems and sufferings. This is not the way. We can't do it through this way.
Pena nyamne singe kashi le ya pena chue nyamne chen kashi ko kashi du yong de yo pena kong de sab de yana ji pena jealous no chado de sha de yong serious de yong ba de ya kashi da ji kyurang be practitioner wa su mi shin da ge e de kyurang practitioner wa de kong de sab de ge de ya che practitioner imba de kong de sab da ren xin che ma cho ba de ta kan da di e cha so da su yin ya 당아 practitioner is the 그 말에서 진지기 수송 오차와 야나지 농체고 예산 진지 제거하게 이게 말해서 도스 다디 만nem기요 말았어 진지를 대는 이제 수수 practitioner 임바점시기 다디 지 가주려다 다디 수수기 emotional 디소 요한지 오네트는 emotional 디소 냠보된 바도 소리 많이 비체 당 오차서 지 베베서
Sometimes, people think that, because you are practitioner, Dhamma practitioner. Some Dhamma practitioners have, this kind of emotions like sometimes short-temperedness, sometimes jealous, sometimes too much kind of attachment. So when people see this, then they would comment that you are a Dharma practitioner. How can you be like that? How can you be angry? How can you be so jealous? So when this happens, then sometimes people try to suppress that. So, I am Dharma practitioner, so I should not be angry. I should not be like this. And so therefore, instead of using methods on working on those emotions, you kind of try to pretend that you are not, you don't have those emotions, or try to present or in the face. So that is, I think, unnecessary. That should not be the way.
오늘은 컨트롤되는 연이 여배체 매번에 소마도 따이네 지 컨트롤 남바이나 가서 데지 가서 최냐면 생겨를 지금 디기지 뭐처럼 붙이지 사나다도 되도 농어로 붙이지 다들 이제 출출을 붙여야 돼. 소마로 다지 파 남주 된다는데야 파지 컨트롤 매배서로 신장 남주를 때 전도 간다 근데 제비나 다 되게 나서 차이냐 셈리야베 가르쳐다지 신달래시에 마베 남주고 되면도 만되면도 제 아니 베 셈리야 유르보 냐스 대비 이미나 아니 다 바지 가르쳐래 셈부 나서 선한다도 야는 니마질이야 되는 갑대면 차 인가로
So therefore, if you have those emotions, but because you are supposed to be Dharma practitioner, so therefore you don't allow, or you don't show those or express those emotions, because you are a little bit ashamed to express those emotions, because you are supposed to be a Dharma practitioner. But you have not actually dealt with those emotions. You have not actually worked on these emotions, so you have them. So if you keep on doing that, then it becomes like a pretension. You pretend not to have emotions, but actually you have them. And so in this way, if you keep on going, then there is danger that sometimes you have mental problems, or at a certain time you cannot keep it under control, and so therefore it comes out in a very forceful way. So these kind of things is not the way.
Not allowed similar social emotional yabati yoncho maresa tinde ma zenu chada andana singi kasure
you cannot say that these emotions are not allowed, or
because you are a Dharma practitioner.
Yeah, because of I am practitioner, so you should not force to kind of not to express those emotions.
Yina ya digi be nyomon ba ko jayen do dang samar ba yon chob ka te ka so an be jayen do dang samar be dinde me ba ga so under control ta ka da ka legally ji ja
that doesn't
ka so walk out got to the problem the maps.
That doesn't mean that you should let yourself be totally kind of free to express all the emotions also. Then you become totally out of control. So therefore you need to work on your emotions. You need to slowly, step by step, work on his emotions and a little bit learn how to control them.
Hindustane, Nyambote Sidustane, Kanda Susulia, Kasho Nyomo Bada, Nyamdo, Mazuji Kajue. Nyamdo Takanda, 다티 계제대 시행문도 가르쳐 나왔다. I think that's why I think it's not forceful. Maybe some people, like for example, I personally have some sort of this kind of, how to say, example or something, experience. Because I'm a Kamap, people think, recognize I'm a Kamap. That's why in their mind, I'm kind of like Buddha, like God, and no emotion. If I'm so angry, maybe they're shocked. Maybe also they think this is not really angry, just like play. But sometimes I'm really angry. But they think I'm just play, or they think, oh, I can't understand. How come they come up and have this angry? No. I think maybe similar situation, all the people, maybe. Because we are Dharma practitioner, then people have expectation, should be sort of immediately. When we become sort of, the day that we become Dharma practitioner, they think, they expect, suddenly become nice man, good practitioner. I don't think it's that easy. It's not the reality. It's maybe we take more time. Like for example, myself, to working with the emotional, I think take lots of time, like anger, not hatred, maybe hatred. Maybe we take like 5 or 6 years to working with him, to sort of dialogue with sort of emotional. 다가서다지 바지 계속 잡아치야다. 뭐셔버치야 세나다도 되치야디. 로망 뭐야지. 다가 딘딘스게요 만다가. 간다 딘데체네 간다르지 소수기 간다지 소수기 녀모데 뭐셔버치. 뜻이지 뭐미셔버서지. 다다 안 소리지. 가서 지금 들어가서 지금 뭐마시비 미 지 착바스 소리를 투베서 지 샤디어로 된지 메이비체 클리 가다 초부스에서는 다도 야나지 가지고 잡아 상고치 소와데 근데들이 제제 타마르 주사네 지 수승 콘르 멜라사디 지 수수기 전부 완전 제법 많이 봐 랑기 낭기 지 하장기 가서래 naturally sana dalu yana joyful sana dalu tindi chi thone o rangi ngangi chi control che thya sana dalu kandaji make friendship tindi lu so that the gets me.
I think that we should have some kind of a dialogue with our negative emotions. We should relate to them, we should identify them, understand them. It's not just, because we sometimes do not recognize our own emotions. Then it becomes like a robber coming, and then, we meet this kind of enemy. It should not be like that. We should understand, we should become familiar, we should recognize our emotions, and then slowly kind of make them our friend, or become acquaintance with them. So therefore, then we don't have to force that these emotions are, subsiding, but it naturally subsides. it's kind of self-liberated. That kind of way we should do. We should work with our emotions, but not forcefully. Slowly, first recognizing it, then, keeping some kind of understanding and relationship, and then become familiar with it, and then slowly befriend it or become, naturally less and less, and then afterwards self-liberated. That's the way to work with our emotions.
German wine. Okay. Today in the Kashmir, Jeza Delia Bena, Bezuan of the Shavina, the Bedlu Junju Shavina. Uma the Mizanji or Mizanji. The Mizanji was the country of studying what all that do see to do. Sazanji of Chen. Sazan did Kashmir. Games, Games, the city, Kenzar Duati, it's sitting hashtag of me. Give a member Sajero. Takanda, Trichene, Teda, and Choga digi, Pama the Chambuyo Manas. Choga di Pamajora, the Chambusha Mabs. Kaduine, G. Kashreda, G. Bear Trubuya, Namjung, but then the Sivianas. And Durugib, came in the Durugib, Hammer does a name Machawache. Bang on it, ne. Ah, in a cut was on a chocolate matanche. They induced on that milk carcass. That ding on it in D. Mola this summer with that. Amala this. That day, the marriage son was doing to us. Taine, that marriage, Imjin Gesian, Imjilia. Imji delegation, when you get scheduled, or Imji washing to get scheduled. That one negation, that Tabji done to say, Imji dig. That Lamsambe made Lamsan station, Thomas. The name is Angala measures that the legally shadowless. Made the Jena, legally, Kalana, Nimatawar Jena, and Kaligally shadowless. Kaligally shadowless. Yina. That delay, Chakin of Giors. Carson, Kuranga, Namju Yabushi Dangers, Mercare, Duguduna, Amati, Care, Segudo, and Duguduna, Drumney. Cantaba Topazani Mabchi. Kuranga Severe, some Topazani Mabchi, or Mato, Maranigal Yaga or Res. That Mergy, that the Kerenche. Any Mandy, Nimatawarish, Amati, Kalana, Des. Then, that may Amadel be none usually then, Cashway. None you, Korani Timusham at the name of Mergy, that's some the timber which says a park, Cardinum Juru, she would then. None you then, and Caligula and those chidus, and Caligally, the Amatan, the Namasummer, the Jabba Yabachar.
So, as an example, I'll tell a story. There was a family, the man and the wife, and the man had his parents. So the parents of the husband and the wife were not very good relationship. So the wife was very tolerant, was very patient for a long time, but then there was a point that she could not tolerate anymore. But she also loved her husband, so she didn't want to separate from him, from them. So therefore, she thought there's only one way, and that is to kill the mother-in-law. So she talked with the doctor, and then tried to, how to kill this mother-in-law. So the doctor said, if you give a poison that immediately kind of kills the mother-in-law, then it will be suspicious, and then it will be not good for you and not good for me. So I'll give you a medicine, and this medicine will kill her slowly, not now, but very slowly.
Maybe 1 year.
Maybe after 1 year.
After 1 year.
So what you have to do is give this medicine, but every day in the food you have to give this medicine. But while giving this medicine, you should not show that you have bad feelings against her. You should really show that you are very gentle and very nice to her. And then if you do that, then she will die, and then nobody will suspect. So she kept on doing that. Every day she gave this medicine, and then unlike before, she was very kind and nice to her, and keep on, pretending to be very nice and very kind to the mother-in-law. So eventually, the mother-in-law also changed her attitude, and then the relationship became very good between the mother-in-law and the bride.
现在谈不这开始 pretend 这些，但真的节目我呢，搞不着下去，平时这搞不下去 ，relationship 搞不下去，但我呢，这样的相对没差了，但现在没得这啥了，都得这啥了，那这边什么东西出来，呢 ，MGT 啥亲戚的，我这样的相对没都是的。 아, 좀 야부시다 차서 나 센데 믿었어. 나 이내 도대서 다 가르쳐 그랬어. 답시에 가요에서 주스다네. 어디 MGD 게임 게지. 어디 도 말했어. 데 메랬어. 이 도장 때메스. 아드린 주스다네. 안 간다디. 어디 relationship somewhere. That relationship better.
So when her relationship became very good. In the beginning, she was pretending that she was nice to the mother or mother-in-law. But then eventually, the mother-in-law also, reciprocated in the same way. So their relationship became really good. And then when the relationship became very good, then she didn't want to kill her anymore. She didn't want that her mother-in-law died. But she had already given poison, so she was feeling very bad. And then she went back to the doctor and she told the doctor, what can I do now? Because I really don't want to kill her, because now we are in so good relationship. We are so nice to each other. So when she said this, what the doctor said was that actually I never gave you any poison. It was no poison, it was only medicine. But I wanted you to improve the relationship. That's why I gave you like that.
Under control, 수수기 셈래 규유를 체 규유에지다 뭐셔버 근데 차도 중임이나 다지 녀몽과는 들이 차대 근데 쟤네 가다 forcefully 많이 받지고
So that's how we have to deal with our emotions. We have to understand our mind. We have to learn and become acquainted with the nature of our mind and emotions, and not forcefully, but step by step and slowly, and that's the way to work.
That delay, or delay, that casualty. 냠레 쳇스모르베 다지 딜리아 도슬람 좀 지 냠네 샤들이야 라바 숨기 냠네 하고 라바 숨기 냠네 다 조디 라바 숨기 냠네 다 디나노네 만두바 게다 냠네지 매비 버스
The practice of Dhamma, all the practice of Dhamma is included in the 3 trainings. There is nothing which is not included in that.
제가 라바 숨디 안다 간다를 같이 가수의 아주지 가수의 숨교기 어래 라바숨이 냠내나 다도 수름이 라바인 바래
The first of the 3 trainings is the Shila or the conduct.
다 수름자디 간다를 가수야지 너랑 아주다 지당기 조미질이야다 심지 현대 문제와 moral discernment somewhere 지 이제 가수야다 빵랑 지야가 뉴버지 아 소리야 요아래
The human beings, unlike other beings, many other beings, we have a kind of moral discernment, and we know what to do and what not to do.
다들 인주산에 대대비다 간다 방랑디 샤디 딜레야 지 네거보다 터투스 니 가지 용되게 길성
And also the actions that we want to give up and the actions that we want to do, there are also 2 things. One, that's for now, beneficial or not beneficial for now, and another temporarily, and another in the long term.
네거블야 펜마당 터두도 대화산다 제인주산에 땅아 저기 배낭아 저기 쿠리우 토르 셰비미나 마저게다 책이 대화점 책이 다지 미스 지카르지 컴포트 야나지 책이 지카르다지 대화점 제제당 아주 망고지기 간다 부경 리뷰기 아주 미럽지마 단 전부링이 망고 미칠 상을 마담지 드리직 도하는 아주 다 간다 논주 망고지 구육 내린 돌리는 아주 논주 망고지 쇼대예데 드리제
That we can see that
내가부터 터두기 반란데
when we talk about
야고체마주시
what is beneficial temporarily and what is beneficial kind of in the long term, the example is like the environment. For instance, we have done lots of harmful things that destroys or harms the environment now, and that in order to bring some comfort and some benefits for the time being, but that has caused lots of problems for the long term.
세상 아주 점리 사이 콜라디 지 배주 동안 응어버지는 의지 제법 많이 받디 아마르버치 간다 부주 기신 신경 아마르버치 아주 그 generation 더 부드 고예비나 인심지 아마데 숨겨 아버치 아마데 못유니 가수레디 가수레다디 코랑 뉴버 주된 데만 들지 고요 알았어
We have to, the world that we live in, we should not exploit it for some temporary benefit now, but look at it as our mother. So the mother that has given us all the benefits and all the right conditions, and we need to nurture that mother. We need to, take care of that mother.
Rather than just to sort of consider it's kind of material thing that we can taking out, we can use it. I think we need to consider it's a kind of mother, nurtures us, right? We need generation to generation. We need this loving mother. And that means Dana Singitang also Banglandi, neck of the Tadung Banglang. Non Juchin, but some Jaggy to the condition of the Tesam of Masabe. Young Kashi also selfish some Randuichi. So get you to the Samba, Jaggy. Kanda Randa Shengi. Randun the Shendung Cheta, Yam Palanch and Druchim.
And other than that, we also make mistakes in, because of our selfishness or self-centeredness. We think about our own selfish kind of benefits and then ignore the benefit of others, all other beings. So therefore, in that way also, sometimes we make lots of mistakes on like what to take on and what to give up. That is, beneficial and useful in the long term.
Penan as mi gergi da rimber tela rimba mangu yare mi gergi gi chedo keveng chedo mi shinda gi digili ya as ignore nang jun cheva kesu cheva.
This of course this also has many different levels. Sometimes for the some benefit or some comfort of an individual, then we kind of ignore and we do things which is harmful to the benefit of many others.
And Anasim Jasa Sevina, there's a gig of jiggy caving shadow. And in gig of Shinda Kajreda Jig Kajreda. She gave up Shindak, Takanda, she did down, Dana Shingi, Didu, Dizuling as a case with Shev. Dana Shin music pinsu, Churu pinsu. Dan Yana, as a draw me down. Yaji, Tundru, as a draw Migi, and conference. Digi or Digi Summer, as a draw me. Kevin Chedo, Tundula Sobe, draw Shindagi, and Kuzugi, Takandarji, Neyu inhabited summer of Neyu, Tana Kuzu Soare, Tana Kuzu So, Sunchelang as a Pudus Toboshimushita.
And in the same way, in a bigger way, sometimes for the benefit of one country, we ignore and neglect the benefit of many other countries. They are kind of, we do things that would destroy their peace, their happiness, and things like that. And in the same way, we also do this kind of way to different races, different religions, and for instance, for the like animals, we use them for our own comfort. Their habitat we destroy, and even their life we use and destroy for our short-term benefits. So many of these type of things happening.
Chazan Digus and the Sudim the condition, Jetta Langdor Manorwaji, Suda Tuba. Kandara Digi Tone, Taji Kashwe, Susuliada, Susugi, Gulonda, Gunjulia, and Gain Kurche. ginguruye 지금 더네 다 드리지기 자와주람 개과 개야 드리지 예브래 다 동도로시나
So the right conduct, in short, is this, that knowing this, understanding what is the best one, what is better in the long term for ourselves and others, and then accordingly, that kind of motivation, that kind of action, we try to act, we try to use our actions in that way. That is what we call the right conduct.
다 드네 라바스미나네 다 니바디 띵인지기 라밤 다다 메디테이션스나 지금도 띵인지기 라바스나 사마디선 다 드네
The second training is the training of samadhi, which is we call sometimes meditation.
아주 최냠는 칭게 망부지기 소수 삼번는 신지기 최래야 냠는 제바다 포다 야르게 전부 미워야 자와르디 아주 띵인지기 라바디 시라메빈자 조다 띵인지기 라바스는 신내다 나송기 냠래 디시라메빈자 아주 지 보온돼야로 게퇴야로 시라메데 디르샤
One reason that many of us who are practicing Dharma do not have great progress is because of this, that we don't have a good meditation. Our shamatha and vipassana meditation is not up to the standard, and thereby, our practice do not progress as the way we want it to be, as we expect it.
그래서 빼나 신내를 차샤비 신내디 가르치고 그러잖아 아주 지 sem기 누가 탐지 미그 지리야 그래서 다 무는 주고는 신을 제는 근데 빠임는 주고는 신세 그래서 다당 아주 sem기 누가 탐지 봐참 가르쳐 누가 탐지 봐 참배서로 체 야는 sem디 참밤 야나 무버서로 다지 세버시다 매대와 sharp, not so clear, not so sharp. 나디 아주 신내기리 심리 누가 탐지에는 가서 찍도 뿡야로 지금 찍도 대야로 대야 세보요아 대야 지금 농보요아 나 진짜지 누버르지 되지 다 가서래 줘야로 되지 누버들이 줘야래.
The first, the shamatha meditation, is to kind of focus our mind, to channel our mind into one point. Like for instance, if you put the water in a pipe, then it goes kind of very forceful from that. Otherwise, at the moment, our mind is very scattered. It's not kind of gathered together. It is not forced or kind of focused together. So therefore, it's sometimes we have the dullness, not very clear, unclear, unfocused, not sharp. So this meditation makes our mind clear, sharp, and focused.
이내야 두름 20지바 된 아주 진짜 신의 냠는 치아 그 두주 가수에 직전에 약시 차요. 직전 독시 차요.
This 21st century is in one way the best time for the practice of shamatha. And another way, it's the worst.
worst 그 독시에 가라서나 두름 20지비 나올래야. intent means 사마다지. 다지 가서다. entertainment. Senandrando Takada, Dunzi, Nami game on Shivaji charge. Kashrutaji, Tabernaji Sanji, internet is out of the Dana cell phones out of smartphone, smart no, Dene Kashruji, 상으로 뒤주지 남이기 게 마찬 가시에 가르스가 그랬으나 뒤로 일쓰지면 나는 신의 루야요 말았다 신의 루야 바시 루야디 가르스 제로 드레레스 내용디가
So in the 21st century, it's the worst in one way because we have too much entertainment, too much distraction. We have all those gadgets that he mentioned already. And so therefore, some people think that there's no hope for somebody to cultivate shamatha in this century.
가르스나 신의 주야기 차기에는 수디 녜내야지 우연바대야 다 개치슈르디 우연바대네 간다지 다 당부치 가르스만 아주 내 당부바디 치 튠겐라 녀라라 류버르 치미인두사네 아니 치 우연바 네 우연바든들 치 안드네 아지 난게 셈 남도 우연바르 특시 체나 같이 하셔라 다 이네 등상 relatively difficult.
So in order to develop this shamatha meditation, for the beginners especially, we need to cultivate the solitude. And solitude means the outer solitude, to create conditions that there are not many disturbances, and then the inner condition to have less thoughts and disturbances in the mind. So these kind of conditions are quite difficult to create in this kind of environment.
따이래야 초치네 가서지 시내 고야가 두수 약수로지 차사디 간르레스나 대야 균zen이 되래 가서라지 티 균zen데야 두른 유즈집에 나올래야 아주 가서에다지 때문에 담제로 가서 미미지디 재신 참고차 가나 신기 안다가들 미지나올래야 간다를 즉 레가레 망부지기다 프레셔 마르만 줄 알았지 뉴슈도 마르만 줘야 돼 제자 수생고 나올래야 간다라지 되지 가서에다지 셈라 지 시디 매아지 가서 시디 시내 고야지 셈 시월내야지랑 셈디 가서다지 시디와 사디 안줄이야 베지 카서 구두스는 다도 안줄레 권고체로 지는 줄 알지 되지 뒤주지 일래도 알았어.
On the other hand, this 21st century could be one of the most the kind of best time or the best opportunities,
the
right time to practice shamatha, because we are so busy. We have become very, very busy, and there's so many things, so many pressures, so many stress. So therefore, there is a realization or understanding coming that it becomes necessary that we have to calm down our mind and to find peace of our mind. It's not an optional, but it becomes very necessary. So this realization is becoming clear.
다들 뉴스다. 제가 신내래야. 남경기 신내. 차게 준비 신내는 의미나. 아니야, 타지도. 저 왼바된 뜻이 제목이지. 다디 그도 수수배나 드러나야 지 신내고야요. 대나야 신내고야요. 벌써는 다도 딱 한다면 미지 줄람 관계 내가 몰라야 다 지금아요. 그도 될래야 간다지 고마요. 다디 chaga shimbu shinen zo de chinsre.
And especially unlike just shamatha meditation, the shamatha meditation of Mahamudra is something that you can practice that in any situation, in any kind of situation of the life. For instance, even if you are traveling, you are walking, you can practice that. Even if you are sitting, you can practice that in all situations of the life. You can practice that, and that is kind of supposed to be the specialty of the shamatha that's taught through Mahamudra.
Uma mejigi kamaba sumba kundi sumba jondo jelea kandi shivres. Goma gobal sangyendra tangwa jorves. Naveje mo goma sangyendra tangwa jorves. The yebi nangar narochis shivres. Tangone jinda chojini oreda. 다 jelea 아니 문에서 다들 한바 사버리잖아. 고마 고마 상계에서 주스다네. 다디 문에서 다딜래 지단전다 아살 매매부터 지다. 다이네 공기 그러면 주도지기 요레스티 고마 고마 상계야 당화지 요레스 이랑 얘디 교란을 째나 팽거 말았어. 팽도요 말았어. 가르스네. 얘 교란을 당화의 째는 다 공부 말했어. 같이 람네 교란기 금주 운동면도 다네. 간다를 쥐네. 지그래서. 난 내가 공부 말다. 내가 가 소주 가 하고 말해. 정신이체 쇠루버지 샤샤나. 그래서 같이 람네 교란 답에 단도지 수규주균도 인도 담 그래서. 근데 인자는 교란을 팬도요 말았어.
There's a story that third Karmapa Rangzhong Dorje was asked by one of his students this question. Is there a way, do you have an instruction that without doing any meditation that I can become enlightened? So generally, it's quite difficult. It's
Stupid question.
A stupid question. But then the third Karmapa said, yes, actually there is a way, there is an instruction that without any meditation you can become enlightened. But even if I give it to you, it will not benefit you because you will try to meditate that and you will try to do something, you will try to kind of cultivate something, and you will not be able to do without meditation. So that's why it is not going to benefit you.
제산 차가 신비 곰살 오늘지는 곰 먹어 봐지다고 하셔요. 오늘진다 곰 먹어 봐. 소주 장 먹어 봐. 다 든지 레스나. 다 띵아주 understand 좀 제대로 말하면 다 가리네 지 제아도 문도 주다. This is the problem.
So even if you say to Mahamudra, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to meditate, you don't have to change or alter anything. But we'll try to alter something, we try to meditate, we try. So it's very difficult for us to understand that we can do something or we can be without meditation or trying to altering or try to change things. It's very difficult for us to understand this.
We all know the human mind is kind of, sometimes we call it monkey mind, monkey. It's so disturbed, we used to sort of do
we used to be pretentious
or disruption,
disturbed,
used to do something like analyze, or you used to sort of think something, do something. That's why even the teacher told you, okay, this practice, no need do anything. Just relax and be with you. But we are always like, not relaxing, always want to, we can't understand, we are not,
We're not kind of settled. We don't
not
feel
settled. Maybe we think it's too easy, too easy. Actually, why it's very difficult to do this sort of meditation practice? Because it's so difficult, or because it's too easy? I think answer is too easy. That's why we don't know how to do. Today in Jusane, today in Jusane, Kandarji Chagachibu, Nyamlen Sadi, Kandarji Nazuki, Namgu, Kumji, Komba, Jikazu, Nazu, Kombadi, Shivji Dakaran, Germada, Sovjedan, German, Lokom David, Duadan, Kali, and Kandar condition, the Kandar German Moyinbam, Sovji Mera. Jumbo Sushatwa. There is a Lokom chat.
So therefore, the practice is, because we are so used to, this is our habit, this is our habitual tendency to always kind of to do something, to change something, to cultivate something, to be busy. That's our habitual tendency. So therefore, when somebody asks, just relax, just be natural, it is very, very difficult for us to actually understand how to do that. So therefore, here what we have to learn is slowly, learn how to relax, how to let be, how to be natural, without being busy and trying to change and alter things.
Today in Zang, Shine Nega Mambajilia, the Shine Gumda Mambajia, Dinan Mambajigi, Bena U Jungublia, Mikbaten, Shine Gomadilia, Gomade, Gajuraji, Mambaji Gavachigar.
Although there are many different ways of practicing the shamatha meditation, many masters kind of prefer this technique of kind of concentrating or focusing on our breathing.
Karasana, Uzada, Namjuni Tangshimachiria Madobe, Yaji Gomyamne Shidi Yeva, Namju Gomyamne Shidi Meva Dizigi, Kajre, Nizuji Cha Mare, Today in Lusana, Namjuni, Yushibeki, Nedan Chilia, Titolia, and a sim de sandwich. Take Harsun Gorsana, Tangan Namjuna Ma Loch, Missage, Yamaniches the Lamsaji. Miserable, you may have a child, and this summer maybe. So soon as Xiam, Nam Yun never tell a ma lodge, ma purchase. And Titolia some there, the Karsha. You don't go get some.
Because the breathing is something that we need to do anyway. It's natural. We can't do without breathing. So therefore, it's not something that we have to, something that we do or that is there when we meditate and which is not there when we don't do when we don't meditate. It's not like that. It's something which is naturally there and we have to do it anyway. So therefore, when we focus on the breathing, then we are not, creating something, some new thing, or we are not doing something that is not usually not doing when we are not meditating, but we are just putting our focus or the concentration on something that is, natural and that's happening anyway with ourselves. So that's why I feel that this using the breathing in the meditation of shamatha is preferable.
But some people, they are doing this breathing meditation, they just relax. Like they want to sort of, how to say, because they're thinking, I'm doing meditation, I should do something, no? Very specially or unusually. But you forgot, you always breathing, no? No need to breathe now attentionally. You're already breathing. Just relax on, on the breathing. Just maybe you just focus. You just aware of somebody. Aware of.
Yeah. Just be aware of the breathing.
Just be aware of the breathing. That's all. But you're just, something like you intentionally want to breathe, something, always this problem. I also have some problem because sometimes the doctor comes, they says, okay, injection, relax. Then I'm just not relaxing. Better to say, no, relax. No. Maybe it's more relaxing. Then they say, relax, then I'm just... That's why sometimes this relaxing, these words also makes us not relax, more tension, more pressure. That's why in the future maybe no need to say relax. Just you are, okay. Today in Pakistan, kanda tinjigi, kanda semdi, and dana she been namdo. Nasulia, the ben namdo tando semlia ben focus cheve kolia. Kange kayarsa. Tata ji mikber namdo chigi tolia, mikber test this. Ya namdo savage lay or lamsa, sharon this. Namdo ningbati kolia. Mutu mi ba te ma du che chi chen ene yam be chu che karso ta ji dis yam be ta pe sa so sambar chi ya di ba do le chi ga du du chong che de yong do ta de yong wa ske ma nam do ka ji ji sa wa yong ye bi ne ya ho yong ju ta ne nam do ji ge tho le ya mi ba den mutu den de to me bi na che ba min du 간다는 남도 용기 체 델리앙 아주기 지 거스마다 아주 남도리아 미버대야데 이건 두긴 용기 제비지.
And also sometimes we have problem to focus on one kind of one thoughts or one thing, because when we are focusing on something, then another thought or another something comes up, and then we have a kind of confusion. We have difficulties because we don't want to let the other one go, and then naturally the next thing comes up, and so therefore. But actually that's not necessary. The thoughts will keep on coming. So we don't need to kind of only focus on the past thought. That we should just let it be and relax and let the thoughts be. So when we know how to do that, we're just being aware of the kind of the flow of thoughts, then it's not necessary that we should hold on a thought that is kind of focused. So this understanding is very important.
다나 이제 지당기 시내의 나도 사디 rimba신 들어가야지 당부 시내 냠래체 시내의 냠래 준비 제래야 나 라도 냠래 다 규단 디뷰 수세나 다도 구름이 지진 들어가야지 냠래체 가야지 레마도 구름 도나 제가 매ብ시
Generally,
도바
this-
면하지 어레다 구름
generally, the shamatha and vipassana has to be, like one after another in the right sequence. First shamatha, then, as a result of that, vipassana. So this has to go in this order.
이나야다 차게 시미 냠래 제베 걸려야 삼섬 신라 송제사 신내다 나도 송도 잡았어 이제 이건데
But in the practice of Mahamudra, sometimes there's a kind of the union of shamatha and vipassana. We can do it together.
지당 아주의 흉루 나로래야 신내다 나동사들 치신 예바진 요아래 욕도 차도 작은 부분데 망부시야 요된 저어다 두시야 뭐지 간다랑 아주에게다 practice 그런 토안에 락랭 토안에 지 가시 지 슈비나 야보면서 섬트기
In the kind of classical texts, we have lots of descriptions of shamatha and vipassana
the
and
measure how to measure
all the how to measure
Now,
which and things like that, which
shamatha
is quite complicated and difficult. So maybe not going into that. If I just go to the practical point and say a few things about that, maybe it will be more beneficial.
how to practice this union
How to practice this union of shamatha and
Shamatha and
meditation.
vipassana. Okay. 다 될페나 아주 남도 페나 시당 그 넘버 도버를 중배 겁이야. 시당 그 넘버 도버를 지 중나.
When an emotion or a thought arises that is of anger, for instance, or hatred,
지 중배 겁이야. 라고 들려 미세지 중부 들려. 가서 가서 여기 미세 들려. 가서 강고 집에서 다들 야나지 들려야 지 레도 첨부를 도바 첨부를 지 강고 첨네 미세.
so we don't need to, try to stop it or not to have, we don't have to have lots of kind of aversion towards that,
doubt someone with aversion without
doubts.
다나 신기 야 남도 디 제순 장선의 장도 야 남도 태다 렌지도 내과지 예수
It is also not that we have to be together with that thought or arising.
다고 남도 오선의 장도 남도 딜이야 쿠란 가르쳐지 내다로 니즈루 가리임 디토리아 에너지 심 파지 가르쳐 aware of sanadaro 지코르데 시에시면 천연신백 다 전부 시신을 과도 계속
So just being aware of that arising, just be mindful of that arising.
nature
Of that nature. So to have just
이나 디 nature's the natural country material 가르쳐 find out which had 되기지만 딱 간다 그런 디 그런 속다로 디기지 찬나로 가리에 다라를 봐 다대지
just look at what's happening, not try to find the nature or try to kind of
that not
analyze.
means it's to analyze to try to find out what's the nature not that mean look at the nature not that means like you try to sort of what's the nature of thought like emptiness or not or something not that mean just Just look at it. I don't know. That is heavy, na. Karso namdo di pena nyomo di zulia dembe jabje mebe sanandado. Kora kung drobi shita mebe. Kung the gymzero shita mebe in Justana. That kung the gymzero jebimina. Or kung the gymzero shita mebe in Kali Kaliko, Nubadi Chungro Chunju. Koran Karso Daji. Pena mik kungme lume zunxie in Justana. Kung doyar, Junset doyar, Mavins, and Galical Koran want with such and Galigaliba. Kashuji. Lord was an account, but this my children was
Because when a negative emotion arises, then if you just let it be, then because it doesn't have a kind of good reason or proper kind of the truth behind it. So therefore, they kind of slowly disappear. Like for instance, if there is a person who is telling lies, so when he tells lies, then we find out that those lies, and so therefore he kind of slowly that person kind of disappears because his importance becomes, not because people realize that there's lie, and so therefore the strength of the person kind of degrades and disappears. In the same way, these negative emotions kind of naturally become less and less strong because it doesn't have a truth or true reasoning behind it.
That's why we no need to when the sort of negative emotion arise, no need to be fear,
no need to be afraid
or nervous. Just look at that sort of natural, that situation, aware of that situation. Then I think it's kind of the negative emotion is kind of like the person telling lies, because no truth behind, nor sort of really reasonable. That's why when you look at that is kind of that negative emotion is kind of xian.
Like if you're telling a lie and it's found out, then you become ashamed and you kind of withdraw.
Then the negative emotion has become more sort of weak and more sort of, how to say, becomes smaller or something, kind of less, become. That's the reason that did it show. I just that digi nyomobasa the zawa chungjing is to bansa yongomare yembinea that can go ji colors temperature pendo as
These may not totally uproot the negative emotions, but this can help.
제잔 the 신의 사통 송도 제바사를 가르쳤나 진짜 심 시월네베 안에 양아지 템바기 템바의 시신기 지금 누바 되는지 배낭 아주지 다디 남도 기지저봐 다디 시월네베 안에 남도 랑모시야 그러면지 진짜 지하들라 신내다 나도 손도 제외 냐래서 되지 있으래 심 시월네베 토안에 딱 한다르지 랑모시야가 남도 랑모시야가
So this is what we call the union of shamatha and meditation, vipassana, because your mind is in peace, and within that peace you are aware and mindful of the arisings and thoughts happening in your mind. So therefore, it's kind of through mindfulness and through awareness in a kind of state where it is peaceful, then you recognize practically the kind of nature of your mind.
다 드네 디젤이야 다 디딩인지 라베 고지 계제주셰베 계제제 다 라바 시럽 기라바 사데 뇽모 바사와 총네 짐버체발이야 다 오늘지 가주야지 대단 도쇼기 사마르베 겐데기 다 냠보 고유예비 뉴스나네 다디 시럽 라바사데 이말에
And then that's the instruction or the training of the meditation. And the third is the training of wisdom. And this is something that would really uproot the negative emotions. And this is the method to actually, understand the nature.
No. 가르쳐다 드디 덴데베다 시럽사데 더가지 아주 지 고아점 philosophical 지보면 이제 다는 신기지 고아를 지만 이제 realization 다 가는 무슨도 배 냠순용 무슨도 통다 드리비샤르 드지 삼동.
And this is not just an understanding. It's what we call wisdom or shirab. It's not just an understanding or an intellectual understanding. It is something that you experience, you are kind of directly experience the way things really are.
다 디고를 미세다 샤스 시럽 거르시다 샤스 케민도
And about that, I have nothing much to say.
다른 뉴스단에 다가는 지들이 마무르 걸이야. 마치 장 참을로디 경왕 구공마당 다나 신기지 아주 그 유길 라마 다지 배는 아랑기 가수다지 지 가수다 재묘시세에 라마 자신 디즈기 다 로마 마제들 차디야래 배나 가수에 리신 세메 먹어지 차디야래 제장다 경험줄이야 그 주니어 잡지 셔바지 다지 자가 준비 거지 시그 운동도 지 데스 데스 가수다 다 가수라 레모르비자 통문도 다 인비네 다지 가수라 다 드리지 시에 딘비즈 지 시에 그래.
And actually, most of you have been students of the 16 Karmapa, or the students of the 16, you have been students of the 16 Karmapa, the lamas that I have myself devotion and respect. So therefore, maybe in one way, I am junior than you. So therefore, to talk about the Mahamudra and things like that in front of you is not so suitable for me.
Suitable for me, then I say something, but okay. Okay. 다 간다야. 차게 준비기 떡어디 간다 디거리야. 간다 가장 원도 쉬는 신주세. 엔 대저부터 지금 차게 준비도 봐. 사디. 가르쳐 나오다지. 가르쳐 나즈기 탐에기 지금 탐에비다 배주체하고 당아주는 게 배나 내가 시에 걸이야 내가 배주체 텔레야 리서치 시비체는 다 간다 들리 다 탐에빈 전당선한다 뉴발이야 댄지 도도야 가라 하고샤래 드리뉴스탄다들 투모모이 베서는 탐에 가르쳐 드리지기다 간다 뉴바질 댄 도고야래 다디 조조디 간다지 라메 무구 라메 투지다 라메 무구리 니 좀바이나 에너지 차게심 도고데 탐지 데라도 도도 그러는데 순고어봐 안 드리뉴스탄 디준센데네 에네다 Gonda into Kashwada Mahashida the
And this Mahamudra practice is not something that we can achieve or realize through, like ordinary kind of efforts. It's not something that can be realized through like working hard or, through doing like the usual kind of efforts and things like that. The only way this can be, experienced or cultivated or this can arise in us is through the blessings of the masters and your devotion. So when these two things come together, then naturally this experience arises. So therefore, we do this, the empowerment of 84 siddhas in the afternoon.
제가 주진 계주서시자 주제 마 상월로지 고랑 된저베지 다간다 라메 투지의 라메 무기기 된진 좀발라 되네 간다 주어 탑대바 다든지 중배임을
All these 84 Mahasiddhas, or the great realized beings, are like that. Because of the blessing or the kindness and compassion of the teacher and their devotion, because of these two kind of meeting together, they became siddhas, or the realized beings.
다이네 참정아줘야지 ben 벽에 남아 상게바 라바도 단데 tradition 디톨이야 라메 고시에 디지 현안 사우르지 로말이야 라마디 현안 사우르 찬라 용도와
Sometimes when we talk about this tradition of Vajrayana, then sometimes the Lama becomes something a little bit fearsome or something a little bit
no
yeah.
It's kind of sometimes the teacher has become like fearful, so dangerous. Oh, wrathful. Really?
No.
Wrathful? I don't think so. Wrathful is. No, some people think it's maybe they have the pressure because the teacher sometimes maybe teacher give them fear or they give them fear, we don't know, but there's some sort of fear comes from the teacher because of something. I think they have some misunderstanding. That thing you said that zudi umage ji lama command of the use the sana ji lama sadi susugi 가르쳐다 지 타니 뭔가 저 개회 신예서 알아. 지도서 하잖아. 초보 상学. 초보 인바 초보로도 그 초보. 다 대야 안 초보 뭐야 다 디나네 지 창통도 초보 사람보다. 봐. 아니 야지 가르지 진짜 매미체 디 초보디 아니 개회 초보 개회 쳐라 로고 생기. 라바라도 저 상아도지 TV기 에 가르쳐 디스도잖아. 초보로도 지금 내전에 르케와 다나 신기 닌타바네 지 가지가타바 이체예데바 근데 그 초보 상고 메준 거 초보 상부들이 지금 두시 사과를 계신부래.
So therefore in the practice of Vajrayana we have to look at the teacher as like a good friend, because we call it Kalyana Mitra, the spiritual friend or a good friend. It has to be like a friend, very trustworthy and, a completely trustworthy kind of a friend who we have 100% kind of a trust and very close to our heart. So that kind of a friend, and not just a friend like, drinking together friend or,
alcoholic friend.
But good friend that will give us or lead us to the right direction and in the very long-term benefit. So this kind of understanding and the deep trust is very important to have in the the connection with the teacher.
That's why in the past history, we have very good example that the teacher and student working closely. Like, almost every day. In the ancient time, the student mostly with the teacher, not far from the teacher. Then every day they have some sort of kind of discussion or report, something like working together. Not like the teacher is always sit on the throne and say, you should do that, you need to sort of promise that, you need to sort of, how to say, that keling.
You have to promise to do this
Promise.
or that.
What's that? Oh, okay. Promise. Not like that. It's something like working together very closely. And that means something almost that the teacher is become a sort of another phase you or another kaswadaji susuigi kaswadaji no longer sort of another person. It's kind of part of you or part of your mind or part of your heart, you can say. I think this is very important, but these days I think we have some problem because the teacher is somewhere in in the Asia, the student is somewhere in Europe. We have some problem, but I think sometimes this external distance is 가르쳐다지 실류기 다가도 다른 분들이 지라 지가로 매네야 나스미 돈에 그 티차데 계심으로 왔다 디과데 가에서 삼선 냠도 되려나 이제 컨트롤샤 성매우들
There's a physical distance, but inner kind of nearness. Sometimes even if we stay together physically, we can have lots of distance in our mind.
That's 드링이 뉴스나다 드리지 과데 간다라지 가서 드리지가 뉴스에 과데 계속 시나리오.
I think that's very important to have that kind of
outlook for the
outlook.
teacher and student relationship. Not like fearful and like and also have lots of become a very conflict. Complicated. Complicated. I think this is important. 다 드는 드는 비심이잖아. 네. 버제들이 삼샤는 즉사 말베. 네 비심이. 아. 어느 땅에 롱정. 다 디젤이야 롱정이.
So His Holiness will do a reading transmission of the Ngöndu.
The short Ngöndu. I think I need to sort of some little bit of a brief introduction about this short Ngöndu. We have traditional, we have one traditional, the long version of Ngöndu Sadhana, and this one is this sort of, we call it short Ngöndu Sadhana. It's composed by someone mischievous. Okay. But I think the reason I'm making this short Ngöndu is one of the big reasons me. Because 1 year we people request to me to explain, to introduce all the sort of visualization, how to practice the Ngondro. You know that tradition of Ngondro is very long. I only have 3 days. Even reading it, I think also have some difficulties, just never finished. That's why I think maybe we need short Ngondro, and in the future maybe I can do that, short Ngondro. Maybe I'm a little bit lazy. And also maybe sometimes it's beneficial for those sort of those student and practitioner. Usually some people they are very busy. They don't have the time to read all sort of this long sadhana. Maybe for them also have some beneficial. But I'm always encourage people should do this sort of the traditional one or the longer one. And don't because it's composed by it's me, that's why then people just how to say, people like the new, new, how to say. I think it's better to sort of to practice the traditional one, but sometimes maybe you have choice. Okay.